Hello smart learners, have your desktop screen ever gone reversed or inverted and you didn't know how to recover from it? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you two methods how to solve this kind of problem. Method 1, go to Settings. Then System. Go to Display and scroll down to Display Orientation. Adjust it appropriately by choosing either Landscape or Portrait. This will alleviate the flipping of your desktop screen. Method 2, right-click on your desktop and go to Rotation. Finally go to Rotate at 0 degrees, and your desktop screen will become normal. Note to always go to 0 degrees no matter at which angle your screen is inverted. Here comes the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to give your impressions on the comments below and subscribe for more interesting tips as this one.